Clear your mind, understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used English phrase, clear your mind. Understanding this phrase can help you express yourself more naturally in English. Let's dive in. Clear your mind is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to remove all thoughts, worries, and mental clutter from your mind. This phrase is often used in contexts where relaxation, concentration, or mental preparation is needed. It's like tidying up your mental space to focus better or relax. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday conversations. 1. Before meditation. I clear my mind before meditating to enhance focus. 2. During stressful times. When I'm stressed, I take a walk to clear my mind. 3. For better focus, clear your mind before the exam, and you'll do great. These examples show how versatile the phrase is in different scenarios. Understanding similar phrases can enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few. 1. Unwind. To relax and reduce stress. 2. Let go of something. To stop thinking about or being affected by something. 3. Free your mind. Similar to clear your mind, but can also imply being open to new ideas. Each phrase has a slightly different nuance, but they all relate to managing one's mental state. We hope this video helps you understand and use clear your mind effectively in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is about grasping these little nuances. Keep practicing, and you'll sound like a native in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.